What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video on the channel, and today I will show you all of my Rubik's cubes. And yeah, this is my second video since we hit 50 subscribers, and I'm going to show you my Rubik's cubes. And if you do enjoy the video, please like and subscribe to the channel. It means a lot to me. And anyways, let's get on with it. So first I'm going to show you this broken cube. I got this one from Russia, and it's all broken here. As you can see, I'm trying to get the pieces back together. But if I show you, this one, yeah. So this side is missing a piece, and this side is missing a piece, and I have the rest of the pieces here. So I need to put these ones together, which I don't know how to do because I've never built a Rubik's Cube before. I don't know what it's made. This one I want to be able to make it and put it back together. Okay, I'll put it back together. There we go. And then this goes in here, I'm guessing, but I don't know how it goes in there. I could look into this one if it's just a copy, but not really going to be that effective. Oh, I was putting it. Anyways, I got it. As you can see, it's... He won again. My quads. Sorry, it's not bad. But anyways, yes. My first cube, I'll just put that to the side after. Now I'm going to show you these stands that I have. So I have this one. This is from a... I'm sorry about my hair, guys. Did you get a haircut? So this one is from a 4x4 that is broken. In the bin right now. It's broken before we even got home. Let's put it to the side. And we have this other one from a 3x3. Actually, this way, 3x3 to be exact. And we have this box which had this in it. That. Russia's wrapping is so weird to other countries. Who puts a Rubik's Cube in a box? So annoying, anyways. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the bad ones, and everything else the good ones. Those will be all bad. This is the first ever Rubik's Cube I got. The stickers are horrible. Everything's horrible. Everything's horrible. Look at these pieces. Look at this. What is this? Let me get one of these pieces out. Pieces are quite hard to get out. Okay, I took the whole set off, part off. Like, what is this? Like, look at that. The corner piece. It's horrible. I don't know what to say about this. Worst cube I've ever had, and the first cube I've ever had. It's just, I don't know what to say about it. That's how bad it is. Say, it's just it's just so bad. How do I explain it? And yeah. Don't know why you'd ever buy this cube. Only if you're a very, very actual like beginner. I'd buy it. And if you wanna waste your money, I'd recommend buying it. And that's the only thing I can say about this cube. It's just horrible. You can't even put it back together. That's how bad it is. Like, How are you supposed to buy a cube, but when it pops, the piece pops out, you can't even put it back in? I'm leaving that one. That's horrible. Horrible cube. Okay, see this? Get out of the way. Anyways, next one. This is a weird Rubik's Cube. I got this from Macedonia. It's a bit of a weird one. The goal is, see this hole? See this hole up here? You can turn this around and stuff. And you have to get all the colors onto the right side. I don't think I'm ever going to be able to solve this. Because I am colorblind. Because look at the difference between those colors. Like, what is this? Look at it, there's no difference. For me, those are exactly the same. Anyways. And it's a very interesting cube. I don't know what to say about it. It's kind of bad, kind of good at the same time. And yeah. It makes a weird noise though. Annoying. And the thing is, can you turn it? Yeah, you can't turn it, obviously. I think any Rubik's Cube will be able to do that. But it is nice, it is. Yeah. Horrible cube. Anyways, okay, next I'm gonna show you my pyramids. I got this from Malta. That's all I'm saying about it. I don't know what else to say. And I'm very bad at solving pyramids. So I can't complain. Actually, I do need to complain because I don't know how to solve it. Once again, there's no yellow, there's only 4 sides. We got blue. And there's no way to tell which side is which. Oh yeah. Green, blue, yellow. Wait, what? So, oh, there's yellow, green, blue, and red. The basic colors. Anyways. This cube back here today, and then we got this one last year, and we this one the year before. And next up, we got the regular Rubik's 3x3. Then what to say about it? It's a basic cube. Everyone knows about it, and it is a Rubik's brand. To be sure, I can be exact. It is a Rubik's brand. The Rubik's brands don't really move that well. But at least it's still a cube, so right there. Next up, we got the 2x2. I don't know how to solve any of these except for the last one. I'm very good at solving that one. The one should be, my mom said this one's easy to solve, which I don't believe, because I have no idea what I'm doing. Don't even know what I'm doing. What am I even doing? I got that there, I don't want that there, I want this there and that. No, I need that there, I need this. I'm trying to get it on an angle, which I don't know what the angle is, but it's a 20-degree angle. Don't know what I just said. Don't even think it exists in English. But you know what? At least it's still a word. That's the only thing that matters. And I am once again horrible at solving Rubik's Cube, so I'm not going to be able to solve this one, sadly. But you know what? At least I tried. You give up, never give up. Just at least try your best. But if you don't try, then you're dumb. You're so dumb. You don't even try. I don't know how to solve this. No, I don't want that to be there. Go there. Okay, thank you. Now go over there. Yeah, I want to get that. No, don't. Go over there. Finally, you got it that. Good. Okay. This is the best I'm going to do. You're white. Perfect. That's the best I'm going to be able to do. Wait. I heard something on the camera. It's a yellows and a green. Next up, this is the only one that's actually solved. The 3x3x1. I am a boss at solving these. Look at this, I'm not gonna craft scramble it. We turn that. Nope. Turn this. Can I turn that? Now can I turn it? Yep. This. And then that, and then this, and then that, and then this, and then that. Okay, so we got this ready to solve. Ready to solve it? 3, 2, 1. Done. If you guys want to time that, just time it for yourself. I'm an actual beast at solving 3x3x1s. And yeah, just exactly the same size as the Rubik's 3x3. I just put all the cubes on top of each other. The thing that's not exactly the same. But I should have put this piece back in. It's really annoying me. Just go in. One's bigger. That one's bigger. Okay, what about this one? That's the same. Bigger. That. The pyramids would go on top of the what's it called? That. Whatever it's called. Work? Yes, it does. So I'm gonna put all the cubes on top of each other. We got that, 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 that. That's not cool. It's gonna fall. Oh, how am I meant to get this? This fit inside here. It does. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to like and subscribe. And hit the little bell to never miss an upload. And I'm gonna do my outro like this. Like, look at this tower. At the bottom, we got the container with the 2 stands inside it. And then we've got the void cube, whatever it's called. This cube. Yeah, we got this cube. Then the 3x3. Then the 3x3x1. And then another 3x3. Then a 2x2. Then a pixel cube, whatever you want to call that. And then we've got the pyramids. And if you did enjoy, be sure to like and subscribe. And we'll see you in the next video. Wait. Guys, I think I'm forgetting something. I know what time it is. If you did enjoy, be sure to like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next video. Guys, what's the video now? If you did enjoy the video, be sure to like and subscribe. And hit that little bell to never miss an upload. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye and